Hello, welcome. So this video is a healing and journaling exercise for your heart chakra, the place where we give and receive love to ourselves and to others. So the only things you really need are a journal and a pen or a pencil. If you would like, you can use your own oracle or tarot deck. So I'll invite you to go grab those now. Today I will be using the Elena Fairchild Sacred Rebels Oracle. It's a great one. And as you're ready, I'll have you come to a tall and comfortable seat, bringing our left hand to our belly, our right hand to our heart. We'll begin a 3-part breath. Deeply inhaling into the belly, following the breath as it travels upward, expanding through the lungs and the chest, pausing briefly at the top, and letting it all go through the mouth, lowering the chest, the ribs, and the belly. Inhaling belly, ribs, chest. Exhaling chest, ribs, belly. Taking 2 more like this. Releasing the 3-part breath and allowing yourself to breathe naturally through the nose, we will open the portal of our heart chakra. As you're ready, gently opening the eyes, taking your oracle or tarot deck, and beginning to shuffle, asking, what message does my heart have for me today? As your shuffling feels complete, you can cut your deck and see your card. For those of us following along here, we pulled the Sacred Fool card. The Sacred Fool. The Fool is a great rebel, able to thwart convention and tell the truth without restraint. Your heart is a wonderful, powerful, sacred fool. It cares not for the right way to do things. It cares not for what the mind says is real and not real. It lives according to an inner wisdom that cannot be dictated to or controlled by anything else. It loves, it lives, and it is what it is. This oracle heralds a time, now or imminent, when you will feel inspired, alive, passionate for what you can offer to the world. It says to you, don't try to be appropriate. Don't try to be socially acceptable and worry about what others may think about what you are doing. Just be. If you want to wear a mad hat whilst doing so, that's fine. So taking a moment here to grab our journals and our pens and begin to write about where we may be holding ourselves back when it comes to love and expression. Where does society say that there are norms we must fall into when it comes to receiving love or giving love? And if there were no rules, what would you do? What do you love and what do you want to put out there? What do you want to create? We start the process of manifestation in our heart, And this card is an invitation to allow yourself to drop all norms, all expectations, all limitations, and fully let yourself feel what it is that you want. So with that, I'll have you pause the video and begin to journal on your heart. And as you're ready, you can come back, press play, and we will close the portal of our heart chakra. Welcome back. Finding a tall and comfortable seat with our spine stacked, we'll bring our right hand to the belly this time, our left hand to our heart. Gently closing the eyes and begin to deeply breathe in and out through the nose, connecting in with our heart space and saying thank you for the divine messages it sends us today. With that, we will close our heart chakra portal. Bring our hands to heart center. We can gently blink the eyes open and say thank you for being open and vulnerable with yourself today and for sharing this practice with me. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Peace, peace, peace. If you liked today's video, please write in the comments, like and subscribe. If you pulled from your own deck, I would love to see what cards you guys were pulling and what insights you found in your heart. Have a good one. Love you guys.